Happy morning, children. How are you, ma? I am fine, beta. Today our subject is English, nana. Now I am going to start chapter 4, the butter thief. Do you know what is a butter thief, beta? Butter means venna. In Telugu we say venna, and thief means donga. Venna donga. Who is venna donga? Do you know, beta, butter thief? Yes, Lord Krishna is the butter thief, nana. Okay, today I am going to teach you about the butter thief Lord Krishna. Okay, nana. Chalo, all of you open your textbook and see the chapter 4, the butter thief, nana. So here, see, keep finger and see, nana. Let's begin. Have you heard story about Krishna, nana? Do you heard about the Krishna stories? Ask your grandparents and parents, ma. They will teach you, and you have to see in the TV also, beta. Okay, ma. Yes, he loved butter and milk. Krishna loved butter and milk. Okay, nana. Yes, he used to quietly go to people's home in his villages and drink milk and eat butter. So what did Krishna do, beta? Krishna is going to all the surrounding neighbors' home and he drink milk and he eat butter, nana. Okay. Yes. Now in this story, villagers complains about Krishna. What happened in the lesson, beta? All the villagers are complaining to the Krishna's mother, Yashoda. Who is Krishna's mother, nana? Yes, Krishna's mother is Yashoda. So the village people are complaining to the Yashoda, your son is very naughty. He ate our butter and he drink our milk. Okay, now? Yes. Here, let's read. A woman goes to Krishna's house. Here, see this picture, beta, everyone. Yes. In this picture, what is there, beta? Houses are there, two men are there. They are taking the water. No, beta. So, a woman goes to Krishna's house and she complains about him to his mother, Yashoda. Krishna's mother is Yashoda, nana. So, the village woman, one woman is went to the Krishna's house and he complains to his mother Yashoda. Okay, woman. So what did the woman say? See here, beta. Yashoda, your son Krishna has eaten all the butter that I made. So the woman is there, no? She said, Yashoda, you are naughty. Krishna ate our complete butter. I made that one he ate. Has become a butter thief. He is a butter thief. We cannot leave the milk and butter at home and go to the work. She said. So Yashoda, he is very naughty. He is eating all our butter. So we cannot go out to do any work. She said. And butter at home. We are scared your son will drink all the milk and eat all our butter. We are very scared. Scared means bhayam. Okay, they are very scared. Why? Because they went away means. So what the Krishna is doing? Krishna enter into the home and he is eating all the butter. No, no, no. So all our village people are scared about Krishna. Yashoda shouts for Krishna and holds him by his ear. So what did the Yashoda said? Krishna, you are become very naughty. All villagers are complaining, Nana, don't do like this. Yashoda said to the Krishna and hold his ear. The Yashoda is hold his ear like this, Krishna's ear, and he is scolding to the Krishna. And Yashoda, Krishna, did you steal the butter? So Yashoda is asking Krishna, do you steal the butter? No, venna dongatanam chesava. Yashoda is asking to the Krishna. Krishna, no ma, no, I can't. I have not stolen the butter. I have no time to steal or eat butter. What did the Krishna saying, nana? Krishna said, no mama, I am not going anywhere, nana. I didn't have that much of time to go to others' home and eat the butter and drink milk. Every day early in the morning you send me to take care of the cows. So what the Krishna is telling, nana? Mama, early morning I am going to take care of the cows. No, you are sending, no, na, mama. So how can I go and eat, mama? Krishna is telling, beta. I come back only in the evening only. I am going in the morning and come back to the evening only. So Krishna is telling, when I can eat the butter, Mama? I didn't have that much of time to eat the butter, Mama. So Yashoda, but today you have been at home with your friends. What have you been doing? So Yashoda is telling, but today you have been at your home with your friends. So what you have been doing? You are at home only, no? You are not going outside today. Then what you are doing today with your friends, Nana? Yashoda is asking to the Krishna. So Krishna, Ma, I am so small. I am so small. Look at my hands. See how small my hands, Mama. They are so tiny. Tiny means small. Tiny means small. How can I reach the pot of butter? You hang it to the high. So Krishna is telling, Mama, I am so small. My hands are so tiny. So how can I take that butter, Mama? You are hanging up, no? So how can it is possible, Mama? Krishna is telling to Mama. So Yashoda touches Krishna's face and wipes the butter from his face. So Krishna's Mama, Yashoda, what the Yashoda is doing, Nana? He wiped his face like this with butter. Okay. And Yashoda, what about the butter on your face? How did it comes there? What about the butter on your face? How did it comes? Yashoda is asking. So here, Yashoda touches Krishna's face and wipes butter from his face. Here he is eating no butter. Krishna is eating butter, no, Nana. So what is there in his face, Nana? Butter is there. So Yashoda is asking, Nana, what is this, Nana? Here what is there? See, this is the butter, no? How it will become? Yashoda is asking to the Krishna. So Krishna, oh, Ma, my friends are very naughty, Ma. They put it on my face so that you would scold me. So what the Krishna is telling? See, very intelligent, no, Krishna. So Krishna is telling, Mama, my friends are very, very naughty, Mama. They only they are put into my face, Mama. So why? Because you scold me. That's why they apply on my face, Mama. The Krishna is telling lies, no, beta? Yes, Krishna is telling lies to his Mama. Yashoda knows her son is being naughty. So Yashoda knows her son is very naughty. Krishna knows very well about, Yashoda knows very well about her son, Nana. She laughs at his naughty words. She hugs Krishna lovingly. So in this picture, see, she lovingly and kiss to the Krishna. See these pictures, Nana? Yes. Very good. See here this picture. And what is the name of the Krishna's mother, beta? Yes, Krishna's mother name is Yashoda. Who went to the Krishna's house? Yes, village women come to the Krishna's house. Why did the woman go to the Krishna's house? Because she complains to the Krishna. No, what had Krishna done? Krishna is telling lies, no, beta? Yes. What did Yashoda do? Yashoda is asking, why, beta? Why you are doing like this? Yashoda is asking to his son. Okay, and you have to read these words also, Nana. Complain. What is the new words, Nana? These are the new words. Complain. To tell another person that something is wrong. Thief. A person who takes away. A person who takes away another person things without asking. Okay, you also don't take without asking anyone from your friends without. Okay, and tiny. Tiny means very small. Pot, a round container to cook food. Pot means a round container cook food. Scold, to be angry with someone. To be angry with someone. Lovingly, feel and show love. Okay, Nana? And here one poem is given, beta. My mother. This is the poem you have to read, Nana. Okay? My mother, my friends so dear. Throughout my life, you are always here. A tender smile to guide my way. You are the sunshine to light my day. So Krishna is singing this poem, beta. Okay, you also read this poem, Nana. Okay, I hope you understood this lesson very well, Nana. You also read and write this keywords also, new words also in your class book one time neatly, Nana. Okay, you have to write on the chapter 4, the butter thief, and you have to write on the new words. First bit, new words. Okay. You have to write down new words and write down first one complain, second one thief, third one tiny, fourth one pot, and scold lovingly. Okay, Nana. So you have to read and write these new words and read the lesson also, Nana. Do the lesson reading also, beta. Okay, I hope you understood the lesson, Nana. And next lesson we will meet again, ma. Bye, beta. Take care, Nana.